afternoon, student. Last lecture we discussed about grammar topic change the voice, and this grammar topic also we continue this lecture also. In the first lecture we discussed about first two rules, how simple sentence can be transformed into passive form. Then second rule we also discussed last lecture, that is how continuous present tense or continuous past tense sentence can be transformed into passive form. Now today we are going to discuss about how if given sentence is in simple present perfect tense or a past perfect tense form, while turning the sentence into passive voice, the form of to be should be used given in the structure, that is has, have or had, or in a future perfect tense will have, then been, and then also used ME3 means present participle of past participle of verb. So remember, here is the one rule, that is sentence is given in a present perfect, or a sentence is given in a past perfect, or a sentence is given in a future perfect. What is the structure? After form of to be, have, has or had or will have, we should use been in a present perfect tense, while transforming to passive voice should be used been and then other relevant changes as per simple present tense or a continuous present tense. Now look at this sentence. He has written poem. What should we do as an initial stage? Identify the tense of given sentence. The tense of given sentence is present perfect. Then second step of transforming active into passive voice, understand which is the subject here, which is the verb or which is the object in given sentence, and begin your sentence with object. Object is here poems. In the first sentence, object taken here and we make it subject. Now according to this subject should be given form of to be. Poems have been, past participle of right, written by him. So in this way we should change active sentence into passive form, especially in a perfect tense sentence. Now look at the second sentence. She had prepared a meal for guest. Once again we should identify the tense of this sentence. Had prepared a past perfect tense. Find out which is the object in this sentence. Object is meal. So begin your passive voice with object. Meal had been prepared by her for guests. In this way we should also change sentence in a past perfect tense into passive form. Then one more example we also deal with. They will have attended marriage ceremony. This is also future perfect tense sentence. The same method we should also follow and change the active into passive voice. They, subject, will have attended for marriage ceremony, object. Begin your sentence with object. Marriage ceremony will have been attended by them. So in this way we should change active into passive voice, especially sentence given in a perfect tense. Simple present perfect, past perfect or future perfect. And keep in mind the structure of this transforming passive voice, especially in perfect tense sentence. Then another next type of sentence we are going to discuss, imperative type sentence. Imperative type sentence begin with a verb, that is called imperative type sentence. How imperative type sentence can be transformed into passive form? We are going to discuss about it. Imperative type sentence means sentence begin with a verb. How this type of sentence can be changed into passive form? The structure is given here. Begin your sentence with a let, then use object, then form of to be, then MV3 and other part. For example, once again, we take this first example, call him for the parts. Now look at here. Here is a no subject. Sentence begin with a verb, and this type of sentence transform into the passive form. There should be used a let be construction. How let be construction should be used? Begin your answer sentence with a let, then take object. Let him for the parts be, and past participle of call, that is called. Let him for the parts be called. So in this way we should change imperative sentence into passive form. One more example, we also deal with answer the questions. How we should change into passive form? With the same methodology using let be construction. Let the questions be answered. So in this way we should change imperative sentence into passive form. There is one more sub rule. Sentence begin with let us. Let us go for picnic. This type of sentence, this is also imperative sentence, but transforming this kind of imperative sentence rule is slight change. And the transforming of this kind of sentence, the sentence begin with a let us. There is another rule, and we should use shall we. Sentence begin with let us, and passive form of this type of sentence, let us go for a picnic, let us enjoy ice cream, give comma and use shall we, such type of sentence. So in this way, in this lecture we discuss about 3 more sentence pattern, how this sentence can be transformed into passive form. I hope you will understand how change the voice can be done with the variety type of sentence, and practice it every day in our exam, in our day-to-day life. Thank you.